How to go live on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to go live on Instagram. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the plus button which can be seen in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the camera section. Now here at the bottom, you'll see several options. From there, you can simply swipe through and go to the live section. And now here, once you are inside the live section, before going live, you can choose your audience, you can add title if you want, and you can add your settings as well. So make sure that your account is eligible to go live, and if you're not eligible, Instagram will show you a message for that. And here, once you're done with everything, what you can do is you can just tap on the shutter button to go live, and that's it. That's how you can go live on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.